Today is February the 17th, 2014, and I'm, of course, Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man with Benchmark Home Loans, here serving the Middle Tennessee area. And I'm just here giving you an update on what's going on in the real estate and the mortgage market in our Middle Tennessee market. First of all, weather's breaking. We're going to have a great week this week, 50, 60 degree temperatures. I know we're all excited about that. We keep talking about the snow. And I don't want to talk about snow anymore. I want to talk about sunshine. So we're talking 60 degree temperatures this week. What that's going to do for the real estate market, I've talked to a number of realtors in our area, and this is exactly what's going to happen. Everybody that's been thinking about listing their house, they're going to start working towards listing their house right now because the weather's breaking. They know spring's coming. So we should have an increase in inventory start coming pretty soon. Along with that, you're going to have buyers that have been sitting on the fence that now that the weather's breaking, they want to go out and look at houses. So we're going to have more people out shopping. So the real estate market is really going to start breaking open here, I think, especially starting this week. Of course, today is President's Day, so in the mortgage market, not a lot going on today. Last week we had some downturn in interest rates, so interest rates took a little bit of a hit last week. But I keep telling you, I think we're going to be, we're going to continually rise, but we're going to stay at this level for a little while longer, probably the next few months through the spring. So that's really where we are. If you think you want to go out looking at houses this week, I know the weather's going to be beautiful to do it. Talk to me or a good professional first. Find out what you can actually qualify for and what you're comfortable spending before you get out there looking. So last week we talked a little bit about step number 2 of the buying home process, and I wanted to dig a little bit deeper on that. It was just about filling out an application with a professional mortgage person in your area. And I wanted to touch on, some of the things we're going to ask about are going to be, of course, all your personal information, and then what your job is. We need a 2-year job history. We need a 2-year address history. We need to get assets. We need to find out where your down payment money is coming from. So we need to talk about what you've got in your checking savings account, what you've got as far as 401ks, IRAs, any kind of assets you've got, you need to talk about. You need to kind of have those available. Really what we're most concerned about is where your down payment money is coming from, but a lot of times you need reserves, and a lot of times those assets can help make your deal more approvable. So the liabilities, typically what we're looking at is what your monthly outflow is based on your credit report. So we really only deal with a lot of the stuff that's on your credit report. Now we will have to talk about alimony or child support, things like that you are legally required to pay, also need to be considered as part of your liabilities. But for the most part, what's going to be your liabilities is coming off your credit report. So we'll need to pull a credit report, of course, is where a big part of that application process. If your credit scores are not in line to get a mortgage, your mortgage person is not a credit repair expert. However, if they know what they're doing, or if you're working with me, I can give you some tips as to what you can do to improve your credit score. I'm not a credit expert, but I do know how credit score works and what drives it and can help you get that in line. That's really all I've got today. Again, it's Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man with Benchmark Home Loans. If there's ever anything I can do for you, give me a shout, 615-335-3356. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'm happy to help anytime. Hope you guys have a great week, and we look forward to talking to you next week. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.